1.1.
Hello, I'm Mara.
Hello, I'm Leo.
Hello, I'm Nari.
1.2. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Serena. What's your name?
My name's Tom.
Hello, Tom.
1.3. This is...
Tom, this is Carlos. Carlos, this is Tom.
Hello, Carlos.
Hello, Tom.
1.4. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name's Paul Bartosz.
Hello, I'm Sarah Taylor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
1.5. How are you? 1.
Hi, Dinos. How are you?
Fine, thanks, Arthur. And you?
I'm okay, thanks.
2.
Hello, May. How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Gladys.
What's your name?
My name is Angelo.
What's your name?
My name is Laura Frigotto.
What's your name?
I'm Tim.
What's your name?
My name is Shri.
What's your name?
My name is Michael, and this is Kate.
What's your name?
My name is Agnes.
What's your name?
My name's Alf, and this is Sylvia.
What's your name?
I'm Eduardo.
What's your name?
My name is Jennifer, and this is Susan.
What's your name? How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Malika.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Morven.
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ben.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ewan.
How are you today?
I'm really good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Connell, and this is Aving.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is James.
How are you?
I'm very well today, thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Kelly.
How are you today, Kelly?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Furkan.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Renee.
How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
What's your name?
My name's Patrick.
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
1.6. Everyday English. 1.
Good morning. Good morning. What a lovely day.
2.
Good afternoon.
Hello. A cup of tea, please.
3.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye. See you later, Mum.
4.
Good night. Sleep well.
Night-night, Daddy.
1.7. 1.
Good morning. How are you today?
Fine, thanks. And you?
2.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. A coffee, please.
Sugar?
Yes, please.
3.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. And you. See you later.
4.
Good night. Sleep well.
Thank you. And you.
1.8. What's this in English? 1,
A book.
2,
A phone.
3,
A photo.
4,
A bike.
5,
A sandwich.
6,
A house.
7,
A laptop.
8,
A bag.
9,
A watch.
10,
A bus.
11,
An apple.
12,
An umbrella.
1.9.
What's this in English?
It's a photo.
1.10. Numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1.11. Plurals. 1,
5 books,
2,
3 bikes,
3,
8 houses,
4,
6 umbrellas,
5,
9 photos,
6,
4 laptops,
7,
7 watches,
8,
10 apples,
9,
2 sandwiches.
1.12. Pronunciation.
S. Books. Bikes. Laptops. Z. Apples. Bags. Phones. Photos. Umbrellas. Is. Buses. Houses. Watches. Sandwiches.